Hi, my name is Jonathan Phillip, and I'm a St. Lucian musician and photographer. Over the past 3 years, I've been pursuing my undergraduate degree in music technology at New York University. I released my new single, Where We Were, on May 6th, which was a few weeks ago. And Where We Were really started as a class project that I took outside of the class as a personal project. It was for my software music production class, which involves learning how to take a song from the demo stage all the way up till the final product to release a record. For the class project, we were required to create a demo for a song that we would produce all the way until the finished stage. So we were placed in pairs to compose a demo. I worked with my classmate Jonathan Cuevas, and when it was delivered or presented to the class, everyone loved it. And it was really then when I decided that I'd take the song as my own personal project to do outside of the class. The issue was that I also had a lot of coursework from my other classes, and it was really difficult to balance doing that personal project along with my other assignments for school. However, a few weeks later, the COVID-19 pandemic hit, and we were instructed that we would have to be taking classes remotely. So I went back home to St. Lucia, and it really presented me with a unique opportunity where I had a lot more time between and after my classes, and I was also in a better, more comfortable space as compared to the concrete and steel in New York, and having an open space to work in with nature all around me. Um, the blessings of being from the Caribbean. So as soon as I got back with this extra time, I took some time between and after my classes to work on the song. I first started by re-recording the vocals, re-recording the guitar, and then I also requested the help of Jonathan, my group mate, as well as another friend, Zandizel, to send me separate guitar parts that I could use for the song. For the next 4 weeks, I spent a lot of my time working on that song, and I was able to complete it 2 weeks before the intended release date, May 6th. I was fortunate to have the ears of some of my friends to listen to the song while it was still in the production stage, to just give me their feedback on whether they liked the song or not, as well as what could have been improved, and what they liked. It was really my first time producing a song from the beginning stage all the way up to a final product, so it was really fulfilling when I completed it. When you listen to Where We Were, initially it was intended to be a post breakup love song kind of theme. But while I was working on the song and under the situation that we were in with this whole pandemic, I realized that it was relatable to more than just a romantic kind of love. I felt that it was relatable to mostly everybody, since we are in a time where we're at home, away from friends and family, unable to go out, and unable to really enjoy ourselves outdoors as we were pre pandemic. And so, where we were represented, looking back at these good times, when we were able to have all of these fun times with our friends and family. So, under the advice of my mother, I decided to create a music video that displayed these fun times. I messaged my friends and family to ask them to send me clips and images of them just having fun with each other, with their own friends and families, so that I could create a music video that really displayed these good times. And fortunately, I was able to finish that music video before the release date, and that granted me the opportunity to release it along with the song. So far, the support has been amazing. Everyone who's listened to the song and given me feedback has only had positive things to say. Some people said it brought them to tears. Um, but what I was really proud of was the fact that I was able to do this, by myself and take on this project in this difficult time. To other creators out there, I just want to say that this is the perfect time to work on yourself and to work on your personal projects. Take some time to really think about what you want to achieve. And that doesn't even have to be, you don't even have to create anything. It could be rest, it could be reflection, or it could be some kind of evolution of yourself. It's really it was really an opportune time for me um, being placed in this situation because it gave me the time to work on myself and work on that song. I'm extremely grateful to everyone who has contributed their advice, their memories, and just their support to the release of the song. And I also want to talk to other creatives directly to let you know that this is the perfect time to work on yourself and to work on your projects. As I was talking to another local artist, KO, we were talking about the present. And this is the one time in history where the past doesn't really matter anymore. The future is too uncertain to focus too much energy on it. The present is all we have right now to work on whatever it is we need to work on. And that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to create something, but you can take that time to rest. You can take that time to reflect, and you can take that time to evolve. Also, to any young person watching, I just want to emphasize how much commitment it takes to really work on what you want to do. Um, it takes a lot of effort, but it's really gonna be worth it in the end. I enjoyed this experience. It was difficult, but I really enjoyed this experience, and I'm extremely happy that I was able to share what I created with the world.